Funding your Eazybot wallet is relatively simple. When you're logged into your dashboard, navigate to My Wallet and it should look something like this. So once you're in here, you would simply click on Deposit. In this entry field, type in the amount of USDT you plan to transfer. At the time of recording this video, the only option is over the TRC20 network, over the Tron network, sending the USDT stablecoin. However, USDC should also be available, and the ability to make a deposit over the ERC20 network, so over the Ethereum network. Depending on your crypto exchange, Binance.com is fully compatible with withdrawals over the TRC20 network, and Coinbase Pro, you can use the ERC20 network. However, if you don't want to wait, I'm going to show you a simple way to convert any cryptocurrency into USDT TRC20 and have it relayed into this wallet address right here. So when you've agreed to the terms, click on Add. You should see a pop-up that looks like this. You'll be provided a QR code that lasts 24 hours and the deposit wallet address that you need to send the desired amount of USDT to, in this case. So I'm going to copy that to my clipboard and quickly show you a very simple website called fixedfloat.com that allows you to convert practically any cryptocurrency into USDT TRC20. So let's say you had Bitcoin. I typed in 0.025 Bitcoin on the left side here. Again, this is fixedfloat.com. On the right side, just do a search for USDT, select TRC20. I'm now going to take this wallet address and paste it in right here and click Exchange Now. You then send this amount of Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency from any other source or any other wallet, wherever you happen to be able to get your hands on crypto. You can just send it to this address right here and it's going to relay it on to your Eazybot wallet address that you provided. No account creation, no jumping through hoops to verify. Fixedfloat.com, super simple and quite competitive, low fees as well. If you navigate back to your Eazybot wallet, you should see a pending deposit transaction here and the amount.